Welcome back everybody to a brand new video, another reaction video. Today we have Slam Dogs by Greystone. Now if you don't know who Greystone are, they are a band that is made up of a bunch of different YouTubers and music artists that were formed in the Metal Musician Mansion series that Jared Dines has done. Great fucking show. I do definitely go recommend it to anybody to watch. It's all on YouTube. It's an amazing show. A lot of amazing bands that have come from it, to be fair. Great music. But yeah, Greystone, they just outshone everybody in the first season, and then they came back in the second season as well and did amazing too. But yeah, I don't know what I'm expecting with this one because Greystone are just crazy. I mean, yeah, let's just see what the boys have cooked up. Let's go. Slam Dogs by Greystone.
Look like the dogs, this is what you got! Look like the dogs, this is what you got! What you got, what you got, what you got. Look like the dogs, this is what you got! Every day will have its day, but will it get its say? The weight itself is worth the gold.
Oh, okay.
Boys.
You don't want to hear this. You just want to hear me bark.
Fuck with the dogs, this is what you got! What you got, what you got, what you got. You should look where you sit, never read where you should. Recognize it's some of your little bumps waiting for take your burger. If every time gets into heaven, then what the fuck is your excuse? Hey then! Fuck with the dogs, this is what you got! What you got, what you got, what you got. We talking all you bitches! SlamDogs.com. You put some blade in the hands where released. Somebody's getting deceased. Fuck with the dogs, this is what you got. Fuck with the dogs, this is what you got. You think you can send us to the pound? Think you can't reach? You
It's
think you
sick.
see us coming? You'll be running back to your mama with your tail between your legs. No bark, no bite, no contest. This is SlamDogs.com, motherfucker.
Sitting there with favor in hand, golden goose looking ass.
All bark, no bite.
All about not bye, baby.
Greystone! Fuck with the dogs, this is what you got!
Well, that was an amazing song. That was beautiful. Oh, it's got me crying. Wow, Greystone just being Greystone. That was something else. They're just mental people creating mental music that's just amazing. Like all the dissonance on the guitar, beautiful. The drums were just, there were a weird groove to it, but then it had the brutal Thai fucking slams. Oh, that was beautiful. That was a 10 out of 10 from me. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Definitely go and check this out. Go and show the guys some love. And yeah, make sure if you guys like the video, you like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Once again, that was Slam Dogs by Greystone. Thank you very much. Peace.